Flying soon. Don't let English hold you back at the airport. From checking in to boarding your flight, you'll hear and use these 10 essential English phrases. Let's get started.
Welcome to Navya Sphere, where English meets confidence.
Whether you're traveling for work, taking a vacation, or flying somewhere new, knowing what to say at the airport can make the whole experience much easier. So let's go through 10 useful phrases you can actually use in real airport situations. Phrase 1. I'd like to check in for my flight. This is a simple way to tell the airline staff that you're ready to check in. For example, passenger, hi, I'd like to check in for my flight to Los Angeles. Agent, sure. May I see your passport, please? Passenger, of course. Here you go. Simple, polite, and natural. Phrase 2. Can I check this bag? Use this when you want to check your luggage instead of taking it onto the plane. For example, passenger, can I check this bag? Agent, sure. Please place it on the scale. Passenger, no problem. You can also ask, is there a baggage fee? That's useful if you're not sure whether you'll have to pay for the bag. Phrase 3. Where is the security checkpoint? After checking in, you'll need to find security. If you're unsure where to go, simply ask, excuse me, where is the security checkpoint? Someone might answer, it's just down the hall, on your left. You can also ask, is this the way to security? Short and easy. Phrase 4. What gate is my flight leaving from? Once you've passed security, you'll need to find your gate. You can ask an airport employee, excuse me, what gate is my flight leaving from? Or, if you're looking at the airport information screen, could you tell me where gate 24 is? These phrases can save you a lot of time when you're in an unfamiliar airport. Phrase 5. Has the gate changed? Gate changes happen. So if the screen shows a different gate, you can confirm it by asking, excuse me, has the gate changed? The employee might say, yes, your flight has moved from gate 18 to gate 24. You can then simply say, got it. Thank you. Phrase 6. When does boarding begin? Sometimes the departure time isn't the same as the boarding time. So if you're waiting at your gate, you can ask, excuse me, when does boarding begin? You might hear, boarding begins in about 20 minutes. And if you're not sure whether boarding has started yet, you can simply ask, is boarding open yet? Phrase 7. Could you help me find my seat? Once you're on the plane, finding your seat can sometimes be confusing. If you need help, don't hesitate to ask. You can say, excuse me, could you help me find my seat? The flight attendant might respond, of course. You're in 14A. It's right over here. You can simply reply, thank you. That's all you need. Phrase 8. Is this flight on time? If you're concerned about a delay, ask, excuse me, is this flight on time? You might hear, yes, we are scheduled to depart at 6:30. Or, there's a short delay, but we'll have an update soon. This is a very natural phrase to use when you're waiting for your flight. Phrase 9. Where can I find baggage claim? After landing, you'll need to collect your luggage. If you're unsure where to go, ask, excuse me, where can I find baggage claim? Someone might tell you, go downstairs and follow the signs for baggage claim. You can respond, thanks. I appreciate it. Phrase 10. Where can I find the exit? Finally, if you've collected your luggage and you're ready to leave the airport, you can ask, excuse me, where can I find the exit? Or, if you're looking for transportation, where can I find the taxi stand? Where can I catch the airport shuttle? These simple questions can make your arrival much easier. Quick recap. Let's quickly go over the 10 phrases one more time. I'd like to check in for my flight. Can I check this bag? Where is the security checkpoint? What gate is my flight leaving from? Has the gate changed? When does boarding begin? Could you help me find my seat? Is this flight on time? Where can I find baggage claim? And where can I find the exit? You don't need complicated English at the airport. Clear, polite, simple sentences are often all you need. Congratulations! Today you've learned 10 useful airport English phrases you can use while traveling. Keep practicing these expressions until they feel effortless. The more you listen, the more you repeat, the more naturally you speak. Thank you for learning with Navya Sphere. I will see you in the next lesson.